The unfolding saga of evolutionary development has met with unforeseen obstacles. Among the obstacles, number one, life is so complicated that it cannot be scientifically defined, only scientifically described. It is so complicated. Number two, life from non-living compounds can't get out of the starting block. These inorganic, simply chemical elements, can't get life to form under natural conditions or in the laboratory. Billions of dollars have been spent trying to get it to happen, and it won't happen. Number three, the most sophisticated attempt at explaining life origins by naturalistic development has a hitch. The DNA, which is necessary for any organism to reproduce itself, the DNA cannot do its work, including forming more DNA, without the help of catalytic proteins or enzymes. So you've got to have the DNA and the special proteins. In short, proteins can't form without DNA, but neither can DNA form without proteins. So you'll read every other month, there's a new idea coming along, hot vents in the deep ocean, the chemistry down there, and perhaps that could form a protein. Well, now wait a minute. These enzymatic catalyzing proteins are the only way for DNA to do its work, and DNA is the only way for them to do their work. You've got to have the whole ball game. You can't just have a single component. Number four, very important. There are more than 20 different sections in a cell. Every cell in your body has over 60,000 proteins, 60,000 proteins in 100 specific configurations. They all have to fit exactly right. There are more than 20 different sections in this cell. A single flaw, this is from the technical literature from Michael Behe, a single flaw in the cell's protein transport pathway is fatal. It just dies. It just aborts. One single flaw. Everything has to be tuned. Unless the entire system were immediately in place and functioning, our ancestors would have suffered a similar fate. It all has to be there or none of it works. Only whole cells contain all the necessary machinery for self-replication. Without the protein-forming machinery, nothing can be made. Watch this, for you math specialists. The chance assemblage of the 60,000 proteins in a single cell, for those to assemble in 100 specific configurations, you can't get one out of place. The chance of that happening is 1 chance in 10 to the 4,478,296th power. Wow. Looks like you didn't get here through the monkeys.